So the event that we're having this evening is the first in a new series called Alumni Plus Events, where we try and bring a little bit more of a cultural experience to our alumni, giving them the opportunity to learn a little bit more, but also to network with each other and to have a drink with us and stay connected with the university.
Today I was part of a lovely tour in the botanical garden, and later we participated in a very interesting presentation on the topic of art, innovation and technology.
Het is heel leuk om allemaal oud-studenten te zien. Mensen uit verschillende jaargangen, mensen die eigenlijk nog net studeren tot mensen die al met pensioen zijn. En het maakt allemaal leuk contact en kletst gewoon met elkaar.
Ik ben in de tweede helft van 70 ben ik afgestudeerd, ruim 40 jaar geleden. En dan is het goed om up-to-date te blijven met nieuwe ontwikkelingen en vooral ook hoe jongere studenten, jong afgestudeerden daarover denken.
We want to stay in touch with our graduates so that they know what's going on at the university, so that they know what's going on with each other, but also so that if they're looking for jobs, there's an opportunity to network with each other.
Zo'n avond geeft je heel veel inspiratie, dingen om over na te denken, dingen die je mee naar huis kan nemen.
And I'm really looking forward to getting together again.